Yes, Shanley, thank you for the support. Is it because we're gonna be watching birds today? I assume it is. But hey everyone, this is Lana here, and I have a question for you guys. What do you call a really, really bad bird? You call them really torrible. Because, you know, Tory bird. That joke might fly over some of your heads, but that is to be expected. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, you better not be sea-gullible about this, because we are here to check out the HOLOTORI Dance. I'm excited for this. I'm really curious to see all of the birds of hololive. Well, we still haven't Ravencroft there yet, but I assume she will be joining there very soon. But for now, we have 5 dwarves we're gonna be checking out here today. I might be a little bit bird brain, but you know, that's what happens when you ruffle some feathers. And you know that you need to break some eggs to make an omelette, because we're gonna be checking out the HOLOTORI Dance, which I have no doubt is kind of a featherweight here in this in this tropical space that is the internet. Probably not. What, tropical? I mean, I guess tropical burbs, but that's it, I guess. And you know what? We're gonna jump right into this and have ourselves a little look. I'm actually kind of surprised that Kiara's sword is not called Excalibur. I think that is a missed opportunity. Or maybe it's called that. I honestly don't know. What is her sword called? I'm a very bad fan. I barely don't know how to blow. God. And also, I'm sitting here right now with a new PC. Well, maybe not. It's not a new PC. It is still a couple of years old, but it's better and newer than my previous PC. Because I got this one from my brother, because he got something else that was much better. So he decided to give me his old PC. And while it's old, it's still better than the previous one I had. So I'm super happy for that. And with that though, as any one of you knows, when it's something new like this, there's still lots of things I haven't managed to get correct yet, like my OBS. I don't know if the sound and everything will be good. Hopefully it is. I guess we will notice otherwise though. And yeah, I'm super excited for this though, because working on a new computer like this, I haven't done that in years. And even if it's not a new PC, it's a new old PC. And for me, it's just, I'm just excited, you know. I'm so happy with this. Oh my fucking god. I mean, look at this. Look at this bad boy. And there's my old one that is crying there in the corner there. And yeah, I'm so happy for this. Oh my god. And yeah, so with that though, we're gonna be checking out the first video here with this PC, which is the HOLOTORI Dance with Kiara and gang, you know, like the birds they are. I'm pretty sure there is a pecking order. I'm not sure what order that is, but, you know, let's jump right into this and see what this egg contains.
Announcement, the flock has arrived. Locking your hearts in a cage. We're here for a good time. But feel like Gigi, kuakue. But so the sproutless mouse makes some room on the front. Give us a sweet soul beam. Thank you, one of my go. You lady, Marco is a criminal. Committing foul play. Raven, impeccable.
Impeccable. Oh. Dance. Oh my god! That is so cute! Oh god! All the birds!
Trap is unacceptable. We know you wanna stay. This night is irresistible. Come on, it's all or nothing.
Oh god.
Wing it till we take it right. Show you
Oh.
what we got, yeah.
They wing it indeed.
Bentang sayap dan bersiap. Do the holotori dance. Do the holotori dance.
Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh god, I'm tearing up here. Oh god, this is amazing. Oh, this song is so catchy. And it's so fun to see them all dancing and just singing together. Oh my god, this is amazing. And the HOLOTORI dance, just see all of them. And the bird. And they're doing the Subaru dance, you know, with the Outcast song. When it's dancing and spinning around. Oh my god. It is so amazing to see them all. I fucking love this. And seeing all the birds just gathered together like that, it's amazing. Seriously, it's so cool to see them, you know, from all the parts of hololive gathered together to make this. Singing and doing the HOLOTORI dance. Oh god, I'm tearing up here right now. Oh god, that's amazing. Oh god. Yeah, this is so fucking good. Oh my god. I mean, from the song being so catchy and just so good and so fun, just pure memery, and I love that. And the animation is just so fucking good. It just adds so much of the characters of who they are and everything, you know. And it just going so well. This is amazing. Oh, and also not to mention all the puns. I'm living for that. I just saying that's just there is a winner right there. I'm just saying, amazing. Seriously, HOLOTORI dance, the original song, animation, everything, A+. It's so good. I love this stuff. Honestly, seeing all of this together and just them singing and making this is outstanding. Honestly, I love this. How memes become something like this. It's we live for this, man. We live for this. And of course, the links to the original video and all will be in the description, so you can go there and support them. And of course, the animators and everyone that have been working on this, just incredible work. I love this. Amazing stuff. And we need more of this, definitely. And I will be back, and hopefully everything is working out as intended with recording and everything. I hope so, at least. So, if not, if there's anything issues, anything like that, please tell me, and I'm gonna try to fix that. So, with that though, I will be back with more stuff on the channel. So, thank you for watching. See you later, and I will continue HOLOTORI Day.